very long back, 20 years back. I have forgotten who has written also. I have not read that book, but it was a book like that. Even eagle need a push. I did it in a month back in empty space, that is Zen, which is in Bangalore city. You are all welcome to attend Saturday 5 o'clock. It is a festival. I think my good friend Sudhindra and Ramaya and Shivanand and Prabhakar all know about it. We do it so committedly without even stopping for a day. Male, Krishna is there, all, you know. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 10 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 100 ಇದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So it's a support system which you need it very badly. Tomorrow evening at 5 p.m. Please come. Why? What is a push? ಏನು push ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗರುಡನಿಗೂ push ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈವನ್ ಈಗಲ್ ನೀಡ್ ಎ push. ಗರುಡನಿಗೆ push ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇಕು. I am talking in a spiritual way. What is this push? Which language you are okay? Please tell me. Kannada, English. I'll mix. Okay. Chow chow bath. Anyway, chow chow bath you had for me. The mine is a management background and mine is a totally a leadership assignment. I don't look, see, I always used to look upon people as potential leaders. Till I met Patriji, and now he said everybody is a potential master. Okay? Everybody is a master. For me, I am not a higher master, you are not a lower master. Everybody is equal. ಒಬ್ಬ ರೈತನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗಾಯ ಆಗಿರೋ ಒಂದು ಗರುಡ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Once a farmer gets, he finds a wounded eagle. Now, out of compassion, he took that to his house and left with his chickens. And after some time, it started acting like a chicken. ಅದು ಗರುಡನ ಮರಿ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮರಿ, ಅದು ಕೋಳಿ ಮರಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟ. ಅದು ಕೋಳಿ ಮರಿ ತರನೇ ಆಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿ ಬಂದ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕೋಳಿ ಮರಿ ಜೊತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೂಲ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದ, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದ. He asked, can I take this eagle who doesn't know what is the real worth of him? He went to his house. He told the eagle, "Hey Baba, you are an eagle, not a chicken. Fly. Your nature is to fly the highest. You are the biggest. You are known for your height. You are the best in flying. Fly, fly. Aru. Ninnalli shakti ide, aru." He cursed him, that eagle. What is going to give me not torture? And again, second day, he went to the top of his house. He said, "Fly, you are the eagle." He went out. Third day, he said, he started understanding what he said. He went to the top of the hill. He said, "You are going to die. Fly. If you don't fly, you are going to lose your life." Put his hand out. Miracle happened. It opened. The wings started opening up because it knows that if it falls on that height, it will die. A miracle happened. Opened his wings. Slowly, it started doing action. He went for a small round. Went round the scientist. Said, "Big thanks to him. You made me realize my real potential. Thank you." Let's go on. Okay? This is the state of us. Okay? We are masters. We are divine beings. We are miraculous beings. We are miracle makers. If anybody says that, you will tell you are a bad person. Karma Siddhanta. What is Karma Siddhanta? Doesn't work. Miraculous things